Hi, my name is Shelby Schrader, and I'm a first-year electrical engineering student here at LSU. What if I told you with just 12 pencils and some rubber bands, you could model a piece of very impactful engineering history? Well, today we will be showing you how you can model the world-famous Da Vinci self-supporting bridge. The Da Vinci Bridge is a very strong bridge that can hold lots of people. Its original intent was to support large masses and many people, such as the military. The idea of the bridge was for it to be built quick and easy without a single screw being involved in the building of the bridge. As we're constructing our model today, let's try to put ourselves in the mindset of Da Vinci. Let's try to keep in mind his common goals of the bridge, making a self-supporting bridge that was able to withhold a lot of weight and carry many people.
My name is Lexus. Today I'll be teaching you how to make the Da Vinci Bridge with just some pencils and rubber bands. So today, for the supplies, you only need 12 regular pencils and about 32 rubber bands. So what we're first going to start doing is take one of your rubber bands and start wrapping your pencils. So for 8 of our pencils, we're going to need 3 rubber bands on it, one on each side and one in the middle. So you start it and you slowly just wrap your rubber bands like so. It's going to be a little tedious, but I think it'll be worth it, like this. So you just keep doing it until the pencils look like this. So you just need 8 of these that look like this, and then do it again for only each of the ends for the rest of the 4 of your pencils. Once you get that done, we can start building our Da Vinci Bridge. So once you finish wrapping all your rubber bands, you should look something like this. You can 8 pencils with 3 rubber bands on it, 4 pencils with only 2 rubber bands on it. And now you can follow along with your pencils while I build the Da Vinci Bridge, and you can do as well. So first, everything to make sure that all our 2 rubber band pencils are going vertically and these pencils will be going horizontally. I'll explain. So first we're going to take one of our 2 rubber band pencils and then grab 2 of our 3 rubber band pencils and lay them down. And then grab another one of our 2 rubber band pencils and place it on top. And this one you're going to have a little bit of a balancing act and be really steady. So you're going to pick up this first pencil that we laid down, pick it up, and slowly put the pencil underneath. This is the start of our Da Vinci Bridge. So basically we're going to repeat this about 2 to 3 times until we use all our pencils. We have our finished Da Vinci Bridge. As you can see, it's pretty strong, so you cannot press it down, but be careful, it is really weak if it's pushed vertically, like this. Okay, now we can test how much weight can this thing actually even hold. So we're gonna try a couple books and even some couple water bottles. Start with 1 textbook. Still holds. Another one. Wow, I think together this is about 5 to 7 pounds. See how strong it is? Now you should see how much you can get your Da Vinci Bridge to hold. Try to beat us. Bye!
Hello, I'm Lindsay Wynn, and I'll be giving you guys some more background information on the Da Vinci Bridge, and I'll also explain why it's so special. Now that you know it's possible to make Da Vinci's bridge model with just some pencils and rubber bands, it's now time to explain why this work is so important. Da Vinci was a world-famous artist, sculptor, and inventor, and he was also an excellent engineer. In the 1500s, the ruler of the Ottoman Empire asked Da Vinci to design a bridge strong enough for the military to cross the harbor of the Golden Horn. He designed the bridge with cheap materials like tree logs, bamboo, and tree branches. Unfortunately, Da Vinci's bridge idea was rejected because the emperor wanted a bridge that was much more conventional.
However, according to research, his design proved to be ahead of its time. Now, you're probably wondering, why does any of this matter? Well, I'll tell you why. It matters because this bridge is able to do what seems impossible. As Lexus demonstrated, this bridge is unique because the beams are able to bend when there are external forces acting upon it. These forces cause the beams to tighten, which strengthens the stability of the bridge. It is also unique because the design is easy to recreate with just pencils and rubber bands. This quick and easy project gives you insight on the engineering design of bridges using materials that are used in everyday life.